Hello friend, myself Nayan Mandal, and I came to know regarding BSNL C Top Up app, Android app, BSNL C Top Up Android app. Therefore, I just wanted to have the details and share with you all guys. Now, as per my sources, I came to know that BSNL has introduced an BSNL Android C Top Up app, which has been powered by Pyro. So let's see how to install that app and what is the look of that particular app is all about. So first of all, we have to go to the Play Store. In the Play Store, we have to write BSNL channel, as because this is a channel top up app. So in the foremost we are getting this one. Now install option is coming and other things are over here. We are coming now. Let's install this app. Now these are the few uh, permissions that they are asking. Okay, after accepting it is getting installed. Let's have a detail of this one. What are the details that now how much time it is taking? Say it has got now the thing is getting installed. Other than that, what are the new features that we are getting here? What are the features we are getting? Let us read this particular thing. What are the features we are getting right now? Yeah, here it is saying manages multiple accounts, CVP and CVP, C top up and CVP, and these are the two accounts they are managing. One stop solution for but the best offer. So they are showing the best offer. Enhance recharge experience, discover special offer, browse prepaid recharge plan, seamless stock allocation, transaction transparent reporting and commission structure. So these are the few features that has been provided by BSNL through Android app. So right now let's test the app what we are having. Let's open the app right now. So this is the first look over here. It is saying register C top up mobile number to enjoy the application. So now, right now I have collected one number by this BSNL team, and accordingly let's see, I have submitted that one. What is happening, let's see over here. Okay, now it is asking for this mpin and other thing. So I am putting the mpin there. So out of putting the mpin, I think it should take. See, it is asking for the OTP. So once it OTP is we need to give to the OTP. Once I have received the OTP, and I have to validate that thing. Let's see what is the OTP they are giving. Yeah, I have received that OTP from BSNL. I have to call them and collect that OTP from them, as because I have collected this number from them only. So I need to have that particular thing from them. Okay, now they have given me that one. This is a nice feature that this thing has been we're doing validation. Okay, let's see. Yeah, see, look and feel is very nice. So over here CVP, and yes, the balance they are giving, the balance options are coming for both and CVP and C top up. Now self-care offers are there. What is the offer? So okay, whatever the running offer they are having, so we will check all this thing in the next video. So this is okay, quite handy app where you can do transactions and everything. Okay, so okay, everything is getting fetched over here if you want to do any transaction or anything. So nice, not bad thing. Okay, confirmation, I'm doing a testing over here. Let's see whether it is doing or not, whether the customer is getting revenue. It is very quick, fast, reliable, what I feel. Entire thing is coming here. Okay, now balance has also deducted. Yes, now let us see in the history whether this transaction is showing or not. Yeah, see, this is showing at 251. Yeah, this is 251. I have did the transaction, details have been shown and it is successful. So nice app and handy app, very nice. So in next video we will definitely check the other features that we are having. As of now, what I feel, this is a nice app and a simple app and Android app that is having. After installation, let us check how the logo is all about. Yeah, this is the thing, this is the app that I was talking all about. Nice one, a very good job. In my next video I will just check on to the features and I will definitely help you to come up with how to use this one, how to use this app, what are the different features we are having, and so on. Thank you friend for watching this.